You need to watch this if you struggle with face fat. A more defined face can boost confidence and improve health. A slimmer face can make you feel more vibrant and youthful. Let's explore how to slim down your face. There are several methods that can help you achieve this goal. We'll cover diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Eating the right foods, staying hydrated, and doing specific exercises can make a big difference. Remember, everyone is beautiful in their own way. Embracing your unique features is important. These tips are for those wanting a healthier lifestyle, which includes a leaner face. It's about making small, sustainable changes. It's not about unrealistic beauty standards. It's about feeling good and being healthy. This guide offers simple, effective advice. You don't need to make drastic changes to see results. It's about feeling your best from the inside out. Are you ready to take the first step? Let's get started on your journey to a healthier, happier you. Together, we can achieve a more defined face and a healthier lifestyle. Several factors contribute to a fuller face. Genetics plays a role. Some people naturally store more fat in their face. Water retention is another culprit. Consuming too much sodium can make your face puffy. The biggest factor? Overall body fat. If you're carrying extra weight, it will show on your face. Don't worry, we can address these factors with simple changes to your lifestyle. Let's dive into some actionable tips. Diet plays a crucial role in reducing face fat. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water flushes out toxins and reduces puffiness. Cut back on sodium. Excess salt leads to water retention, making your face appear bloated. Load up on fruits and vegetables. They're packed with nutrients and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Remember, small changes make a big difference. Start incorporating these tips today. Section 4. Exercise your way to a sculpted look. Exercise isn't just for your body, it benefits your face too. Cardiovascular exercise burns calories and helps reduce overall body fat, leading to a leaner face. Strength training builds muscle mass, boosting metabolism and further aiding in fat loss. Facial exercises can tone facial muscles, giving you a more defined jawline and cheekbones. Combine these exercises for optimal results. Remember, consistency is key. Section 5. Lifestyle tweaks for a leaner face. Simple lifestyle changes can have a significant impact on your face fat. By incorporating a few mindful habits into your daily routine, you can achieve noticeable results over time. Adequate sleep is crucial. Lack of sleep disrupts hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to help your body function optimally and support a leaner face. Stress management is key. Stress releases cortisol, a hormone that contributes to fat storage, particularly in the face. Engage in activities like meditation, yoga, or even a simple walk in nature to keep stress levels in check. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol dehydrates the body and can lead to facial bloating. Opt for water or herbal teas instead, which help keep your body hydrated and reduce puffiness. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your journey to a leaner face. Consistency is key, and over time, these lifestyle tweaks will contribute to a healthier, more defined facial appearance. Section 6. Stay consistent. Track your progress. Remember, consistency is key. Don't expect overnight results. It's important to set realistic goals and stick to them. It takes time and effort to reduce face fat. Track your progress regularly to see how far you've come. Take photos, measure your face, or keep a journal. Documenting your journey helps you stay motivated and focused. Seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each milestone, no matter how small, is a step towards your ultimate goal. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is worth celebrating. Enjoy the process and make it a part of your daily routine. You've got this. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your goals and enjoy a healthier, happier you. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination.